Let me unveil the ultimate fusion of luxury and speed. Range Rover Classic like you've never seen before. Picture this, a classic beauty meticulously crafted, but with a Tesla heart beating under its hood. As we delve into the details, prepare to be amazed by the electrifying metamorphosis of this iconic ride. Stay tuned because this is no ordinary makeover. It's a high-voltage symphony of style and power. We've recently completed work on this 1991 Range Rover Classic. I'd like to give you a quick tour of its interior and highlight some interesting features under the hood. To begin, the original key fits into the designated slot. When you start the car, the gauges come to life. On the left, we have the battery level indicator, and on the right, the speedometer. The middle panel remains true to its original design, displaying indicators and full beam status. This Range Rover boasts full power steering, which is essential given its hefty weight and substantial tires. Now here's something you won't see, but it's worth noting. There's a stop charge button. When you connect the car to a charger, whether it's a DC rapid charger or a slower one, the button secures the connection, preventing anyone from unplugging your vehicle. The Range Rover's interior features seemingly original heater controls, but there's more to it than meets the eye. This particular Range Rover Classic has something quite rare, a cup holder. Unlike its predecessors, which lacked this convenience, modern Range Rovers seem to have an abundance of cup holders. It's a practical addition for those who appreciate a good beverage while driving. As for performance, stepping on the accelerator reveals an improvement over its previous state. Once a lackluster 2.5-liter diesel non-turbo, this Range Rover now boasts electric drivetrain enhancements. It's eco-friendly, comfortable, and free to run with no ULEZ charges or taxes. Taking a closer look under the hood, there's a significant departure from the original diesel setup. The eye-catching feature is the sleek gray battery box housing the entire 55 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Surprisingly, this electric Range Rover boasts an impressive range of over 150 miles thanks in part to its aerodynamic design and narrower road tires compared to the Land Rover Defenders. Charging efficiency is another highlight. With rapid charging capabilities, you can go from 20 to 80% in just 25 to 35 minutes, making it ideal for longer journeys exceeding 100 miles, although such trips may not be frequent. Speaking of power, the Range Rover retains its original 12-volt battery for various functions and original wipers. However, the real magic lies beneath the surface. Hidden away, the Tesla Model 3 motor is positioned sideways, driving both the front and rear differentials. With a robust output of 280 horsepower, this setup delivers impressive power delivery without the need for a gearbox. It's a crucial blend of performance and efficiency, leaving ample room for other enhancements. Now, let's dive into the star of the show. With nearly 280 to 300 horsepower, this compact motor is a testament to the capabilities of electric technology. Remarkably, it weighs only around 65 to 70 kilograms, demonstrating the efficiency and power density of electric drivetrains. Replacing the massive gearbox that once occupied the space, the Tesla motor now drives the power down the prop shaft to the rear differentials. These original differentials, despite their age and layers of wax oil, handle the electric power seamlessly. Aside from these modifications, the rest of the vehicle remains true to its original form. Thanks a lot for your unwavering support. To stay up to date with our latest news and exciting updates, be sure to hit that subscribe button on our channel. Your engagement means the world to us.